If you want to create a shared album using iCloud instead of iPhone, then what you do is open any web browser, then open this website iCloud.com. Select sign in, then you have to sign in with your Apple ID. Select continue, enter the password for the Apple ID, select sign in, and then go to photos, click on these shared albums, click on this plus icon here, and then give a name to this shared album. Now you have to enter the Apple ID of the person with whom you want to share this album. And then select create. So this shared album is created. Open it, and once it is created, you can upload the photos or videos in this shared album. So click on this upload, select the photo that you want to share, and then open. So once this shared album is created, click on this icon here. Make sure that you enable this option, subscribers can post. So once you enable this option, what happens is the person whom you have invited to view this shared album, they will be able to add the photo to this shared album also. So you can also see the photo and they will also be able to see the photo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.